Leonore from Fallbrook, California has a question about strange noises.
It's a brand new home she's living in, okay? Leonore says, I hear a dripping, tapping noise in a half bathroom downstairs. Here, listen for yourself. She sent a video in, kids. So here it is. How'd you like to hear that tapping noise?
It's kind of creepy.
It's like the tapping noise they heard in the hull of the Titanic, that there's somebody walled up in there. I bet you it could be a builder in there. Somebody's like, let me out.
Okay.
No, seriously, what do you think it is?
I know it's not a drip. And I know it's not spraying water or anything in there because you would see it all over the place.
I think that'd be obvious, yeah.
But the banging, it could be a pipe that they didn't strap down. And when it pressurizes up, it's got pressure going through it, and it's banging like that. That's probably the most commonsensical answer you're going to get out of this one.
So unlike your dog's tail that wags when it's happy, the pipe isn't happy. It's just got
It might be happy. It's free to do what it wants.
It's free to do.
But I think it just needs to be strapped. And if it's
down.
a new home, it's some of the new PEX piping, and it could be just one of those big coils just banging back and forth.
Now, Leonore, there is also a revenue opportunity here for you because you could take people on a haunted house tour and say that there's a spirit in the wall.
No comment.
Okay, so I guess we'll just go with the plumber.
It is Halloween almost, so.
This is what I'm thinking. All right, you got a question? Go ahead and send it to us and visit HomeShowRadio.com. Fill out that Ask Tom form, send it in. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition.